Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Delightful Creations. I'm Amber. Today I want to share with you guys the scraps that I have pulled out from the small scrapbook bin that she had given me. It is the small cart that was on the floor that had a bunch of different 12 by 12 paper. A lot of it was patterned. Most of it I've pretty much filed away, but these are all her scraps. I'll just try to pull this pile into view. I don't know if you guys can tell how massive this pile is. It's a good... Man, I don't even know. Well over 100 pieces of paper out here. So it's going to take a while to go through. But what I do with my scraps is I keep the bigger ones in a different pile. And I keep the smaller ones in a separate pile. And this lady kept pretty much every scrap that she had. I really like this paper, this stamps. I mean, some people would probably throw this piece away. I mean, you just cut off the top and then you've got a good section of paper you can make tags out of, or decorate a pockets, or make a Mendex, border on it. This one is a cutout that is on some pretty thick cardboard, and you can cut out baby and this circle here, even this half a tag. Even though the bottom half of it's missing, I don't mind because I can just use this top half. And this little bottle here. I'm just so appreciative of everything that I've gotten from this haul so far, and I just wanted to show you some of the pretty papers that are in here in the scraps. Look at that ABCs. That'll be gorgeous for like fall or going back to school, which is coming right around the corner. And here's another fall paper. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but there's scarecrows and pumpkins and little sunflower buttons. It's so pretty. And here's a Christmas one. Look at that. That's kind of whimsical. I really like it. And then here's just a heart that she had cut out with some craft scissors and words on there. It's blue. So there's a lot of different things that this lady had kept that I'll definitely be able to use. And I'm so excited to get to go through all of it. Oh, look at that fun. Fun. Candy corn. Who doesn't like candy corn? Especially at Halloween time. Here's a page with numbers on it. I think this will be so cute for, again, going back to school and fall. Let's see what else we have in this pile. Nice little strip of some red with stars. And so I wanted to talk to you guys about the giveaway. I'm going to leave it open until Sunday. That way everyone can get a chance to comment and leave their guess. And whoever guesses the closest, I'm going to send out a little package with something that they really like or would want out of these different papers and things that I've hauled. So if you are in need of holiday papers like this, look how cute that is. I would trim that down and make it into a manageable piece so you don't have all these funky ends on there. There's one that says Christmas, joy, Noel, winter wishes, peace. And so I just want to be able to gift somebody what they need or what they really like. This is a page of Christmas, or I guess it would be holiday. There's Christmas at the top, and then I see Valentine's, and then there's some spring and some St. Patrick's Day on here. So you would cut these apart one by one. They aren't punch outs or anything, but I don't mind fussy cutting. So that for me, I find it relaxing, and I just enjoy doing it. Oh, this is so lovely. Look at this rich purple paper with flowers. Oh, that's beautiful. And some more Christmas lights. This here is really thin, almost like computer copy paper. But again, you just back it up behind, say, this white paper on there, and just like that, it becomes just as thick as that paper. So, I mean, I don't mind spending the time to make the paper how I would want to use it. There's this pretty 4th of July paper, which I don't have very much of this, so this will be fun to kind of play around with. But next year, obviously, this season is past. And we've got some... This is interesting. This is more like a plastic paper with stars on it. So yeah, whoever wins, I definitely am going to email you, and we're going to go through and talk about what you like or what you want, what you need. And I'm just going to send you off a little package. Look at how pretty that is. Like old maps. I really like this at the top here. This angel with the griffin, the cherubs. That's so pretty, guys. Wow. And she's got a lot of stuff that I haven't seen, which is exciting, right? This is so much fun just to sit here and look at. That one kind of makes me dizzy. All those little dots. Here's a little scrap off of this one that she kept. I mean, Some people would, like I said, probably just throw that away. Oh, and look, it's double-sided. That is one thing that I don't have very much of, is double-sided paper. So when I get a piece, I'm so excited to use it. I mean, I think it's so pretty. There's some more dots. So yeah, I've just been taking my time going through and sorting it out. I like to have my edges cut so they're square like this, or rectangle, whatever. Not so much like this. I mean, that's a really unusable shape for me. But this one, you know, I would probably use for a punch. Or run it through the die cutter just to make a shape out of it, because that's a really weird shape. But a really pretty paper, so I'm obviously going to keep it. Here's a cute one. Some pink, green, and the back is orange. I actually like this side better. Yeah, so like I said, I'm just going through here, all of our little scraps. Look at these fall ones. But what I wanted to also show you is I pulled out, she kept her kits separate. So I'm going to pull those out over here really fast. This is her travel kit, and I like how she kept it like all together, because I don't buy kits. They're, one, usually pretty expensive. So I just, like I said, I buy what I can when I can. And I'm just so thankful that she had organized it like this, and I think it's a great way to do it. Because I have bought kits in the past when I was younger, and I would take them apart, open it all up, and separate it by either color or by theme. And then I would put the die cuts with my die cuts and the chipboard with the chipboard. But now that I'm older, I'm recognizing that maybe it's easier to make a page or a card with a kit that everything goes together. Like, it's made to be put together, but that doesn't limit you to just these specific papers or stickers. Like, here's a holiday page, and it looks like she used quite a bit of it, but there's still plenty there. I mean, look at all these chipboard letters. Some more stickers. Ooh, and this is like really thick cardboard in the back. This is going to make some really nice tags or Memdex cards. I mean, that is like really thick. I don't know if I can even run that through my die cutter. It's so thick. And here's a scrap kit from Hobby Lobby. She paid $9.99 for this, and it looks like she just used a couple of the words or flowers on here, maybe a page or two. These three-dimensional flowers. They're so pretty. Some alpha stickers. Yeah, so there's just so much to look at and go through, and it's just a lot of fun. I just thought I would hop on here really quick and share it with you guys. This looks like it says summer fun and gone fishing, fresh air, some letters, camp. I like these chipboard pieces. Yeah, so anyways, guys, I figured you would appreciate seeing some of the things that I have found. There's some cards that you can use as a base and then decorate it up with whatever you want. They're blank on the inside. And these were just in with these kits, so there was no envelopes with them, so no problem there. I can make my own, and I would probably cover the back up with something just to make it more of a homemade type of card. So I keep everything. I try to use everything, even if it's weird or like cut out funny. Like this one, she printed on the back. Looks like she was trying to do some digital scrapbooking. And this is the other side of it, and it was on happy birthday paper. So what I would do is just use this section of it, and maybe some over here. Even this pink back here, I don't mind that. You know, so just pieces that you can throw together and use. Here is a Halloween paper, which she used just a black part of it. It says made 2014. And I don't participate in Halloween. I don't use Halloween stuff. Or anything like that. So these papers are definitely something that I would be gifting away to someone who would use them, because I don't, and I don't mind having them. Like, there's some kind of cute googly eyes and like a oh geez like a mummy dog. There we go, a mummy dog. I was going to call him a skeleton dog. Frankenstein, a crazy cat's on the pumpkin. I mean, it's really cute, and we don't celebrate Halloween, so I won't use it. And I don't want it to sit here in my house and not get used. I want to be able to give stuff away that's going to be used up by someone who actually likes it and can make it look cute. So yeah, thanks guys for joining me with my scrapping adventure. I hope you have a wonderful time, and we'll see you back soon with more treasures from this haul.